Today we're going to talk about graphing systems of equations. Now, a system of equations is a situation in which two equations are together. So we have a system. And when those two equations are together, they may have a solution. So a solution is the intersection or the points that the two equations have in common. When graphs intersect, the equations are, or the system is said to be consistent. When the graphs are parallel, then the system is said to be inconsistent. And we know that because they're parallel and have no points in common, that there will be no solution. Now let's take a look at this word, consistent. When a system is consistent, we have two situations under that. Independent and dependent. An independent system is a system that has exactly one solution. A dependent system has an infinite number of solutions. In other words, when we graph it, we end up graphing the same line. So let's see how this works. I have two equations, y equals negative x plus 5 and y equals x minus 3. So let's graph those and see what happens. Y equals negative x plus 5 has a y-intercept of positive 5. So there's positive 5 and a slope of negative 1. So I'm going to go down 1 and right 1, down 1 and right 1, down 1 and right 1. I could do this all day. And now I'm going to connect those points with a line. There we go. And I will now label that. And we also had our equation y equals x minus 3. So our y-intercept is at negative 3 on the y-axis. And it has a slope of positive 1, so I'm going to go up 1 and right 1, up 1 and right 1, up 1 and right 1, up 1 and right 1. There we go. And I will connect those points with a line. There we go. I'll straighten that out a bit. Right? And now let's label that equals negative x, y equals x minus 3. And they appear to intersect at this point right here, which is the point 4, 1. So let's see if that is an actual solution. So we had an intersection at 4, 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that x value of 4 and that y value of 1 and plug them back into each equation and see if it works. So taking the first equation, let's say 1 equals negative 4 plus 5. 1 equals 1, that is true. And the second equation, 1 equals 4 minus 3. 1 equals 1, that is true. So this is a valid solution.